Alright, Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Good afternoon, everyone. And my name is Firda Nursita Sari Amalia, who will present to you my articles under the title The Analysis of Mathematical Reasoning on Primary Students' Ability to Solve Math-Based Mathematical Word Problems. This articles is begin with some introduction with one introductions that mathematical reasoning is an essential skill that allows individuals to analyze and solve complex problem using logical thinking and mathematical principles. Brody et al. 2010. The completion of mathematical word problems is essential for children to excel in school and beyond by making the connections between mathematics and real-world situations. However, problem solving continues to be one of the more challenging arithmetic exercise for elementary school pupils. And this theory is supported by the fact situations in the school. Recently, mathematical problem solving still remains a dilemma in mathematics learning. This is supported by the result of my observations of grade 6 students at Kesatrian 1 Malang City Elementary School, which show that students have difficulty in solving mathematical problems. In these schools, which show the students have difficulty in solving mathematical word problems about data processing or statistics. At this time, the learning takes place. Students are less able to understand the context of the problem presented and are confused in determining the calculation operations used to solve the story problem. One of the difficulties experienced by the student is the difficulty in converting sentences in the form of mathematical models. Based on the statement from the teacher, the majority of students experience confusions in understanding the context of the problem because of the story problems are presented so long. And for the methods, the research method that will be used in this research is descriptive qualitative research. This research uses descriptive qualitative research with a case study approach that a content and explanation of the analysis of mathematical reasoning skills of grade 6 students in solving mathematical problems. This research will be conducted to all the students in grade 6 of all 28 students. The scope of the material that will be used as observations materials in this study is whole number materials. Indicator and aspects of math reasoning ability. And for the mathematical reasoning indicators, consist of 4 aspects. There are understanding the problems, designing a plan, utilizing the plan, and looking back. For the aspect of understanding the problems is consists of students can understand the problem, students can explain the problem found, students can present the known and required information into the problem, and the last, students can design a problem-solving plan. For the designing a plan, it consists of 3 aspects. For number 1 is students can design a problem-solving plan. Students can predict the answer of questions. And the third point is students can use data from the problem. And the aspect utilizing the plan, it consists of 2 points. Which are students can complete the process of designing a solutions, and number 2 is students review the answers. And for the last ones, looking back, it means students can formulate the conclusions. And here are the result and discussions of this research. This test instrument will be used as a reference in measuring students' mathematical reasoning ability. The questions given shows the indicator of students' mathematical reasoning ability, which are as follow. Question number 1 and 4 shows indicator of understanding the problem. Question number 3 shows the indicator of designing a plan. Number 3, questions number 2 shows the indicator of applying the problem-solving plans. And the last one, questions number 5, show the indicator of reviewing answers and making conclusions. And here are the descriptions of student reasoning ability score in each question's indicator. From the question number 1, number 2, number 3, also number 4, and the last one, number 5. Here are the scores, and it's I break down from the student number 1 and also students until 23. And based on the data in the table 4, it can be seen that the highest percentage of score acquisitions lies in question number 5, with indicators of reviewing and formulating conclusions. In addition, question number 3 is in the second position of the score of 22% with the indicator of designing a problem-solving plan. Furthermore, the score of 72% and the 70% was shown by the questions number 1 and 4 with the same indicator, namely understanding the problem, while the indicator of applying the problem-solving plans occupies the lowest positions of 50%. Overall, the average mathematical reasoning ability of the fourth grade students at SDN 2 Tunjung Tirto is in a moderate category, namely 68.4%. Talking more deeply about the lowest indicator, namely applying problem-solving plans to the whole number story problems, students tend to have difficulty in translating mathematical story problems into appropriate mathematical sentences. This is known from the results of interviews with several students who score below 2 on the questions number 2, totaling 7 students. This is due to students' inadequate ability to read and understand sentences in math word problems. The following are the questions, answer, and excerpts of the researcher's interview with one of the students. And here are my presentations, and thank you for the attentions. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.